Hello friends, in this video I will share my stop motion assignment that I have completed in the last week. What is a stop motion ads or animation? Stop motion video is a technique of stitching multiple photos together frame by frame to create an animation. By shooting in stop motion, you can create video stories without having to actually create any video, making it easier to add engaging movement to any post. What you need for the stop motion video: a shoot of a multiple images even in hundreds, editing, creating sequence, adding captions, and creating video. Let's watch. I have already shoot approx 140 pictures for the first sequence. The product was unboxed, so I started to shoot pictures in the reverse order, means I shoot not for unboxing, I shoot for boxing. After shoot, I open all images in Adobe Bridge and check the images to delete or edit. I found one image has an issue, so I deleted it, and after that I am checking the images to edit. So click the image and it opened in the Photoshop workspace. I selected patch tool to remove the dark shadows area. I have noticed this patch exists in the all images. So it takes lots of time to edit all images in hundreds. Don't worry, you can create an action to apply on all images. I am here open multiple images and record actions, those needed to remove the patch. And remove the patch with a single click. You can also use patch feature to use action on all files in the folder or opened in the workspace. So go to the file menu, then select automate, then select batch. Pop-up window open and select action folder and action name here. And select open files in the source menu, click OK. As you click OK, all files will be edited according to the same actions though you made to edit first image. After correcting the patch, I want to enhance the pictures, so I use the curve adjustment and enhance the shadows and highlights of the images. In this folder, I have already corrected the exposure by creating action and applied to all batch images. After correction, I selected all images in the folder by using Ctrl+A or Command+A in Mac and select batch rename. Change first field name to desired name you want. I added name value is a box and sequence number value to 001. It is a very important your first picture start with the 101 or 001 and rest of the images follow these numbers. Otherwise your images will not convert into the sequence. Additionally, your numbers should be in sequence. If any number image deleted accidentally, your sequence will not be import. Now I am opening After Effects and importing all images as a sequence by using Ctrl+I or going to the file menu, select import, select the folder where the images reside, select the first image with the naming with 001 and then check the box imported JPEG sequence. And also check the box create a sequence. You can see the all images open in one sequence. Hit the spacebar and video will be started. As you know, I shoot images in reverse order, so I need to show it is as unboxing the product. So I am opening a menu by clicking right mouse, select time, then select enable time remapping. You will see two keyframes here, one in the start and one in the end. I am moving start keyframe to the end and end keyframe to the start. Now hit the spacebar to play the video. Now you can see the sequence is playing in the right order as unboxing the product. In the same way, I am importing another batch of the images as a sequence to show how to assemble the product. But these images are again in a reverse order because I shoot this by dismantling the product, not assembling the product. So importing in After Effects as a sequence by selecting the first image of the folder, you can see it import as a sequence in a reverse order, and then I again time remapping. I moved keyframe start to end and end to start. Now you can see it assembling the product by playing the video. I also added an animation that I have created in the Illustrator and After Effects. I will create video in the near future on the animation. Here I am only discussing about stop motion. I am opening the main project in After Effects, where you can see I have added the animations and also added caption. Those were also created in After Effects. I have also added infographics of the product by using callouts. After that I have created video and import in the Premiere and added music and sound effects required for the movie. Now you will see the complete video with the stop motion animations. That's all for the today. Don't forget to send feedback. Soon I will come with the new video. Thanks for watching.